Hello, I am Miss Abir, an English teacher for Primary 2 at El Riyadh and Leaders Language School. Today we will going to have Unit 12, Go Straight On in Connect. This is the last unit in Connect. What is the meaning of go straight on? That you go or walk in one direction, straight. As here, Amira, here, walks straight, go straight here, okay? Let's read. Who walks home? Amira. Amira walks home. That's her house. Yusuf rides his bicycle home. This is Yusuf. He rides his bicycle home, okay? Our mom drives the car home. Our mom drives the car home. What do you notice here? I notice that we put is to walks and to rides and we put is to drives. Why? Because Amira, Yusuf, mom here singular and we put is to the verb if the subject is singular. So don't forget to put is to the verb, okay? Selim takes a taxi. Here, Selim takes a taxi. We put is also to takes because Selim is a singular. Listen, point, and say. Ride a bike, walk, drive, taxi, plane. Ride a bike, walk, drive, you can drive a car. Taxi, you take a taxi. Plane, fly a plane. Okay? Number one, we want to match, but listen and number. Okay? Number one, Nabil rides his bike or rides a bike. So, number one, we will put here number one. Number two, Lenny or Angie takes a taxi. Yes, we will put here number two. Dina drives a car. Dina drives a car. Wael flies a plane. Wael flies a plane. Mariam do what? Yes, goes home on foot. Okay, so here Nabil rides a bike to school and you can make sentence as this sentence. Do it as yourself, please. The next page. Which place? Listen and number. I will say the word and you will put the number at the correct picture, okay? Number one, school. Where is school? Beach. Park. Store. Library. Restaurant. Museum. Number two, listen and write the number of syllables. Okay? This will be the homework. We have the syllables before, so do it as yourself. Number three, read, write, and say. Where can you buy things? The girl said at store. Okay, number one, where can you read books at a? Yes, library. Number 2, where can you eat food? At a, yes, at a restaurant. Right, restaurant. Number 3, where can you buy things? Yes, at, right, at, yes, at a store. Means a shop. Store means a shop. Number 4, where can you swim? At a beach. Okay? If you finish writing, turn over the page. Here we will talk about the prepositions. So focus with me what I will read. My town is small and beautiful. There is a beach in front of the beach. There is a beach. In front of the beach, there is a restaurant with yummy food. Behind the restaurant, there is a museum and a library. I live on Ismail Muhammad Street. My school is on my street, and next to the school, there is a park. In the park, there are streets and flowers. Behind the park, there is a store where we buy all our food. So here, number 1, we talk about in front of. In front of, here, we talk about there is a beach, okay? The beach in front of what? Yes, a restaurant. Where is the restaurant? Yes, this is the beach, and here I can see yes, there is a restaurant. So the beach here in front of, okay. Number 2, in front of the beach there is a restaurant with yummy food. Behind a restaurant, what is behind the restaurant? Yes, a library. So behind the restaurant there is a museum. Here a library, and there is also here a museum and a library. Yes. So we have in front of and behind, and what else? I live in Ismail Street. My school is on my street and next to. Next to means beside to each other. This place is beside this place. Like here the library is next to the museum. Okay. Number 2, look and complete. Number 1, there is a store next to the park. There is a store next to the park. Okay, number 2, there is what? Yes, there is a museum, a library, sorry, behind the, yes, museum. Okay, number 3, there is what next to what? Yes, there is a restaurant next to library. The restaurant next to the library. Number 4, there is a store, yes, in front of what? The store in front of what? Yes, a school. A store is in front of the school. Yes, school. The next page. Listening and reading. Here is my world. Okay, this is me. Look at this girl. She talks about herself. So she says, this is me. This is my street. Okay, this is my village. Where the farmers live. This is my town. And this is my city. Focus that the difference between town and city, the city is bigger than the town. So this is my town and this is my city. This is my country. This is my country. This is my world. This is my world. Okay? Here about my world, you will do it as a homework. You will draw about yourself. Today we finished our lesson. Thank you and goodbye.